Hello and welcome to this simulation. Today I did a model of axial compression over the circular concrete column. The concrete column made by ultra high performance fiber reinforced concrete. This is the material of this column. If I click here and hold just the concrete, you can see the compression of the column. It reached the maximum stress and maximum compressive strength, and more than that. We define 193 the maximum, but here it is 200, sorry, 200, reached 200 megapascal. So this is the stress, the plastic strain, the, sorry for that, logarithmic strain, displacement and everything. And let me just remove the concrete column, and this is the rebar inside that. We can have a better view, for instance, this is a better view for beams inside the concrete. This is the displacement, the stress, and everything. So the another important thing is the force displacement diagram. If I click here, you can see that by increasing the displacement or axial pressure, the reaction force increases. So it is increases till here 21 millimeter displacement, and it reaches around 12.5 meganewton. It is the huge amount of the force capacity. And then the concrete column with rebar reinforcement uh, lose lose his stiffness, and you can see the decrease in their stiffness suddenly happened, and it is zero here. So this is the fail zone here, and the maximum capacity is this for the force reaction value. And if you need this tutorial, you can come to our website. In our website there are many English tutorials, and they are provided for English users. Click on a blue sign or on the title. Then you will have short explanation about the design of the parts, the explanation about the process and simulation and technical and details here, and then the results. And there are three important points here. The file contains CAI and plain English video file step by step, and the cost is $30 US. If you have bitcoins, you can pay it with that. If you haven't bitcoins, you can pay it with PayPal. This is a better way to use PayPal. If you have a PayPal account, send me an email to this address. Thank you for attention.